Hi, I'm Chris and I just ordered a Sharp G850VS Pocket Calculator from Japan, and the box just arrived. It's here. And I would like you to join me for the unboxing experience. So let's go. I bought the item, well, the calculator, on 11th of November, and the seller then dispatched it within a few days. On the 16th, it arrived on the 20th in the morning. Well, I guess time zone kind of works in their advantage, in their favor. I thought it was an Australian website. Let me see where the seller is actually from. I mean, the name somehow gives it away. Yeah, Japan. Huh. Okay. Well, never mind then. As you can see, 153 positive feedback. Was that the last? Okay, 12 months. Excuse me. I would definitely highly recommend this seller. So I'm really happy with how they sent it, how they packaged it. I got all the tracking information basically from the moment they handed it over to the Japanese sort of courier up to the moment it arrived at my doorstep. I was able to follow it through, so that was really cool. So yeah, thank you. What's up, Japan? So let's take a knife and open it. What's so cool about this calculator is that it's programmable in C and I think also in assembler. So I'm really looking forward to play around with it. So we keep this for memory and we cut through this. Okay, well boxed. Very good. This is for the dog, and there it is. Also well packaged. Thank you. See you again. Oh, look at this one. Oh, a crane. Japanese paper crane. Oh, and it is actually a Japanese paper crane. Let's have a look. Is it? Oh yes, it is. Ooh. How amazing. Don't want to break it. Comes with no instructions whatsoever. I think we might want to leave this for later. So this is definitely the beak and the head. But where's the tail? And okay, let's see. Okay, I think it's like this. Clumsy fingers. Awesome. Whoops, there we go. Okay, this will forever stay somewhere. On my desk. Okay, on we go. So, bubble wrap. Also awesome. And here we go, here we go, here we go. Ta-da! The Sharp G850. Ha! Comes in a case. Awesome. And what you can see here is, you can read this. So you can program it in C, Basic, and Assembler. Understood that it's a Z80 processor. So, and now we have to see if it works. Certainly comes without batteries. And it takes triple A? Check. Oh yeah, it's AAA. So it was AA. Okay. Hope these batteries are full. Sorry for the non-matching colors of the batteries. Let's see if this works. Yay! Haha! It works. Now the there's a G850. There's a G850V, and this is the 850VS. I think that's the latest model. Well, the last model that was produced, and apparently the one with the best screen. So we say yes. This computer, I understood, was only sold in Japan, or at least never in Europe, and I believe also never in the US. So yeah, I would say that was a successful purchase. I'll find out as much as I can about the computer, and we'll do another video once I know more. But I think, well, we probably can do a little basic program, I think. Okay, let's see if we can get this classic greeting to work. No, oh, obviously it's run mode. How do we shift to program mode? Okay, clear. So it says run, so I guess there's also program mode. Ah, program mode, okay. So 10, print, hello world, very good. 20, go to 10. Okay, so now I guess we have to switch back to run mode. Do we have to say run? Yay! Hope you can see this. Definitely something going on. I think on is break. Yep. There's our little program. Up. Of course, we are in run mode. So this is something to get used to. Yeah, there's our program. Nice display, definitely fully readable. I think it's as readable when you see it live as it is on screen. Maybe a little bit better on video, but super contrast. So I'm really happy. I guess I also have to find out what probably the space bar with this button here has Japanese written on it. So I need to brush up my Japanese. Same here. So I'll get back to you on that. So stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.